Here's 7 lessons from How Doctors Think by Jerome Groopman. 1. Pattern recognition. Doctors excel at recognizing patterns in symptoms, test results, and medical history. This allows them to quickly identify potential diagnoses and rule out unlikely ones. Honing your observation skills and ability to connect seemingly disparate dots can benefit any field. 2. Hypothesis generation and testing. Doctors form hypotheses about the cause of a patient's illness based on available information. They then design tests and gather evidence to confirm or refute those hypotheses. This iterative approach to problem-solving can be applied to various challenges in life. 3. Probabilistic reasoning. Medical decisions often involve uncertainty and incomplete information. Doctors weigh the probability of different diagnoses and potential outcomes to make the best choices for their patients. Learning to think probabilistically can help us navigate ambiguity and make informed decisions in various situations. For cognitive biases and heuristics, doctors, like everyone else, are susceptible to cognitive biases that can lead to errors in judgment. They actively mitigate these biases by using established protocols, consulting colleagues, and remaining open to new evidence. Recognizing and managing your own biases can improve your thinking in any domain. 5. Empathy and communication. Building trust and rapport with patients is crucial for accurate diagnosis and successful treatment. Doctors actively listen to patients' concerns, explain medical concepts clearly, and tailor their communication styles to individual needs. Developing strong communication and empathy skills can benefit all aspects of your life. 6. Lifelong learning. Medicine is a rapidly evolving field, and doctors must continuously update their knowledge and skills. They actively seek out new research, attend conferences, and stay abreast of the latest advancements. Embracing lifelong learning is essential for success in any dynamic field. 7. Collaboration and teamwork. Complex medical cases often require the expertise of various specialists. Doctors collaborate effectively with nurses, radiologists, lab technicians, and other healthcare professionals to ensure optimal patient care. Fostering collaboration and teamwork can enhance problem-solving and achieve better outcomes in any field. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel Ideas to Inspire for more great ideas and inspirational content.